Hi guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina and today we're going on a toy hunt. So I'm at Tuesday morning right now and I'm gonna go ahead and check out the toy section and see if they have any toys on sale or anything like that, and then we're gonna visit probably 2 more stores and then we're going to go back home and review what I find. So let's go ahead and go on a toy hunt. Right, so I started in the Christmas section because I wanted to show you guys they have some incredible stuff for our dolls to decorate for Christmas, and I absolutely love their Christmas section. So I definitely saw a lot of cute Santas that would have went cute in dollhouses. I saw nutcrackers and different type of trees, oh man, and reindeer, and I saw some cute stuff that could go in front of the dollhouse and the dolls could be in. Like, there was a huge sled right there, and these are the reindeer. This would be cute in front of like a front door of a dollhouse. So nice. And look at the Christmas trees. Like, if you don't want to decorate a Christmas tree, just get a solid one. Like, look at these. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And there's some more nutcrackers, and yeah, and I loved it. And look at that, I saw it as a candle holder, but I saw that it would be a cute picture for a doll. So I'm always thinking of dolls when it comes to these type of things because I love it, and this will be my first doll Christmas, so I can't wait. Now I'm looking for the dishcloths because you guys know I love making my dishcloths into pillows for the holidays or decorations for the holidays, and these are so beautiful. Now we're gonna look at the Barbies. So they had a good amount of Barbies. It was a little small, but it was a good amount. They did still have the director set that I found. It's more expensive on Walmart.com, but it's really cheap at Tuesday morning. Then they had these pet Barbies, and then they had the Dr. Barbie, they had a teacher Barbie, they had the Dreamtopias. They had all different kind of Barbies, and I really loved it. And I was looking at all the other toys, the little pop toys, and I still had the Barbie bike. And then I saw this Rainbow High backpack for all my Rainbow High lovers. Really cute, and I think it was about $10. Super cute. And then I saw this bike, and it had a whole bunch. I reviewed this bike on my channel. If you want to see that, I'll put it in the description box down below. And then I saw these itty bitty tea, which I thought was so cute because I wanted to try one of these, and I think they're really cute to collect. And I don't think they're gonna have them in stores anymore. Then I was looking at some fashion packs. They had fashion pack maybe 1, and the rest were American Girl of the same outfit, but they were $10. It was a really good price for American Girl outfit because I have an 18-inch doll, but she's not American Girl, but she fits their clothes. And this is more stuff for the itty bitty tea. And then this is a Barbie reveal doll that I thought was so cool. I thought she looked amazing. I was like, wow. And they had it for only like probably like $21.99, I think. And I was just looking around at the different toys. And then these are the little baby dolls. I never buy baby dolls, but it just reminds me when I was little, so I look at them sometimes. And they have some totally fun little craft sets for kids. I just love craft sets when I was a child, so I love it. Then they had the mini brands, the Micro Mart, which is for a small scale, probably for like a Barbie extra mini. And then this is the B, pretty cool, and I might go back and get that. I think it's super cute. And then here's the LOL. They have some LOL merch. They had a watch with swag on it, and I think it's an interaction watch. It's super cute. Here's some little unicorns, so cute. And then now we're going to go see some Barbies. Here's a comfy Cinderella, and then there's an Anna doll that I think is super pretty for those people that like Frozen. So now I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree, and when I first walk in, I see these easels where they have like different fall pictures you can paint, and this will be a cool idea for your doll to like she's painting, but you guys would definitely have to DIY the brush. But here's the craft section. I love going down a craft section because I always can restock on supplies and things I need for my craft videos. Here's some stuff that I will use. Then I was looking at the Barbies, well, the dollar store Barbies, because sometimes you can find cute dresses on there. Like, sometimes my doll, she'll be wearing Dollar Tree dresses, and you'll think that I bought her dress from somewhere that cost more, and it's just from Dollar Tree. So definitely I really like looking at the toy section. I went to the other side of the toy section, and then I spotted the Barbie section where they have little accessories, and when I looked over there, I found a fun find. that I actually got. So I found I think it was Dreamtopia. They have like a little tea set. I've seen this tea set on Instagram so many times, and I finally got my hands on it. So I picked the one that I like, and then I started looking at the other dolls they had there and the little furniture. So cute. And the little fashion packs. And you guys, don't sleep on Dollar Tree fashion packs because they are really nice and you can really make it work. So now we're at Walmart. So at Walmart, of course I'm looking at Rainbow High because I was trying to find Tierra Song. She's the one I'm looking for. And now we're looking at the Barbies. They have Soccer Barbie, the Photography Barbie, Dreamtopia, the new Kens, which I'm looking for a third Ken, and this is a Dreamtopia unicorn. And there goes the Barbie Fashionista that I just bought right there. And the other one I picked her up. I almost bought her, but she's a little pixelated, so I put her back. So I just continued looking down the Barbie aisle. I was looking at some fashion packs because I have some Barbie ideas that I'm looking for certain outfits. That's my favorite fashion pack right there with the sunflowers. Absolutely love that. I think that one's cute, but I just haven't bought it yet. And yeah, so I'm gonna keep looking down the toy aisle, and I see some OMG stuff. This is like an OMG pack, like it's like activity pack. And then I see the backpacks that have the fun things inside, like the micro to go littles. And then I see the Shadow High accessory packs, and these two cute little heartbreak couple is so cute. I think it's a sweetheart couple, not heartbreak couple. But here's some Hatchimals, which are super cute, and I love the Hatchimal. Real little backpacks, and some of the real little like journals and things like that, and Disney Doorables. You guys know I just got into Disney Doorables, and they had some really good stuff. They had the villains. They had this one right here, which I never seen before, so I was looking at it, and it's really cool. And I was looking at the villains because I want to get the princess and the villain one. That's the two that I'm looking for right now. So yeah, it's actually a little empty, but it's because people knock things over and they never put it back, and I'm like, it's a little unprofessional, but okay. So let's keep looking. So I'm going down the aisle, and I see the cutest little things, and I love this little magic. I don't know how to explain it. It's like these new like magic toys. Oh, and I saw this fish inside of a bag, kind of like what you get at a fair. I thought it was super cool, but this is the magic toys I'm talking about. It's called Magic Mixies, and I want to get some because I think they're so cute and adorable. And some of them are like very rare and cute, and these are like these purses that their eyes blink. I saw them when I saw sweet videos from other influencers. And here are the little Barbies and little Barbie cars for younger children by Fisher Price, which I think is so cute. And here's a Nana Camper and Karma's World. I think that's so cool. And then I was looking at the Barbie camping set. I was looking at this Barbie extra doll. I don't really like her. I like her outfit, but she's not my fave. And they had some Encanto figures, and then they had Louisa, which I was really happy to find because I've been looking for that little one. And I was looking at the Barbies one more time. I always look at the Barbie aisle more than one time to make sure I didn't miss anything. And then I saw some cute fashion packs that I don't have, like that one I just picked up and the Malibu one. But the thing is that we're going into fall, so it's better to get more fall clothes right now. And I'm getting rid of some of my summer Barbie clothes soon. So yeah, just looking at more fashion packs. They're pretty much the same, no changes. I love that fashion pack with the denim with the pink and the yellow. I think that's so cute. More Dreamtopia. I am so in love with the Dreamtopia and with the mermaid power, and I love that curvy mermaid. I want her. She's so cute. And the Totally Hair Barbies, I definitely want to get one. I just haven't had a chance to. And I love this Barbie extra set. I saw someone on Instagram with it, and they made it so beautiful, and I love it. And some Barbie extra dolls, all the Barbie extras. And then there goes some more of the Barbie with the camping set, and then this is the Barbie pet condo, the kitty condo. And then they had some farmers market sets, And then here is life in the city pretty much, and this is the campfire. I love that set. This is the mermaids and the deluxe pack, and then there's a Harmonique, which is the one I want. I like that one too. And then they had some Melrose and some OMGs and some of the Rainbow High that I already have or that are out already. And I'm just looking to see if there's any new ones that I want. And then there's some OMG play sets, cars, and the queens of the OMGs and Splash Queen. And then here are the mini brats, which I think is so cute and adorable. Care Bears, which is making a comeback, and I absolutely love it. And then on the opposite side, we have Miraculous, we have fidget toys, we have My Little Pony. And I was looking right at the fidget toys. I skipped it, and then I went right back because I've been looking for these dolls for a minute, and they're so cute. And then here's more Karma's World, and I think it's like a pajama set play set, which is so cute. And here's some Encanto toys. So now we're going to Macy's, we're going to Toys R Us, and I love this. I've been obsessed. I've been coming every day. Here's some Monster High dolls, and I came for Laguna. So I was looking for the best Laguna doll. They were putting out some more Draculaura as I was looking through it. So I was trying to record real quick in this section so I wouldn't be in the guy's way. But definitely, and they had some Nana Tweens, and they had the Swan. I want this one so bad. And then here's some Barbie extras. They had the one with the teddy bear. They have the one with teddy bear at the Toys R Us if you're looking for that one. And then some Totally Hair Barbies, some Mermaid Power. This is Mermaid Power boat. And this is another Barbie play set, and then this is all the different Barbie play sets that they have available at the Target. I love that Barbie on the bike. It's really cool. And all the holiday Barbies, they have all of them except for the one with the red hair, because I think she's a Walmart exclusive. So this is me leaving, and I'm just looking through the toys one more time. In my walk-in closet, I wanted to show you guys what I found on my Fun Find search before I ended this video. So on my Fun Find, I got Laguna Blue from Monster High. I finally made the leap and got a second one, and Laguna is gonna be friends with her friend Claudine, so I can't wait to unbox her. I'm not gonna do a video unboxing her because I'm pretty sure you guys seen a million of her, so I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox her myself and enjoy her. And my second find, Utopia set by Barbie, and it's like a tea set, and I can't wait to use it. Actually, I'm about to use it right now for real. And thank you guys so much for going with me on my doll hunt. I hope you guys had fun looking at what's on the shelves. I sure enough had fun, and I'll see you guys in my next toy hunt. Bye.